Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Florian Sora. This action is organized in the framework of CAST project, co-funded by COSME and European Commission.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the European Commission, I welcome you very warmly to this Out of the Ordinary Hackathon. Out of the ordinary, given the strange and unprecedented times we are living in. The tourist sector is one of the hardest hit by the COVID crisis. Europe saw an average decline of 44% in tourist arrivals in the first 5 months of the 2020, with a nearly complete halt of any traveling during the month of April. In the history of tourism, this has never happened before. Wish you good time and fruitful hacking.
Tourism sector can gain a lot of advantages from digital innovations.
In terms of the hackathon, we are delighted with the response. It takes a community of various type of stakeholders and actors to pull this together. It's a massive production to do this on a European-wide basis. And
that's why EBN and I'm sure all the other CAST partners are looking forward what will happen during the next 2 days and a half, when participants will co-create new, innovative and sustainable solution to reduce these losses for the benefit of the tourism sector itself, but as well as the European economy and people well-being. Good luck everyone and enjoy. Thank you.
My name is Margot Decory. I worked with NGOs, governments, politicians in improving legislation in the protection of environment, human health and wildlife.
Hi to all, this is Panis Pieri. I'm based in Cyprus, some time of the year, pre-COVID.
I'm Joan Borràs. I work in Eurecat, which is a technological center, research center in Catalonia.
Brian Marinin is my name. I run an organization that develops innovation programs in airlines in Latin America, airports in Canada.
My name is Juliane Schulz. I'm board member of Pan-European Investor Network. Media Deals, we are located in Berlin, but we work across Europe.
So my name is Francisco. I'm coming from Portugal, from the best city in the world, Coimbra. I'm working as a consultant on innovation and entrepreneurship, and I've got lucky because for the last 1 year I've been managing the Portuguese travel tech community.